My name's Ernest. I live in Nairobi, Kenya. My wife and her sister operate a small fruit farm. They needed to do some irrigation, and so they have a little spring that originates from the bottom of their farm. So they decided to pump water from the spring 65 meter head to a tank that is above farm. Of course, the option was to have solar and put a little solar pump down there, but unfortunately you can't put a solar pump there because the solar panels would get stolen. And and it's working very well, and to me I think it's the most amazing gadget that I've ever come across, because it's like a heartbeat, like a human heart. It just keeps pumping. And now it's been exactly 1 week the pump has been pumping water. The good news is that now we have to find a way to get rid of water, because we've got too much water, we've got not enough storage. So the ladies have decided now probably to give some water to the neighbors, which is a very good thing, giving back to the community. So yeah, so this papa is a dream come true. Nice, very nice. Rudia kwa tangu.